Hey guys, Matt here. Welcome back to this week's portfolio update. I like to show my portfolio once a week, somewhere around that, as I believe that sets me apart from the other stock YouTubers out there, and that I show my receipts. And compared to last week, yeah, we've taken a beating. Returning visitors to my channel will notice a few things are missing and a few things are new. And if you've been watching my last couple of videos, especially my last portfolio update, you will already know what I did. So what moves did I make? Well, for starters, I sold ARK. So Monday, I added 1,500 to my Fidelity portfolio. Then I sold ARK, and honestly, it was a long time coming. It was, all the short-term moves that Kathy was making, it just did not leave a good taste in my mouth, and it made me sort of doubt the investment. So I took the money, I sold at a loss, and I put the money into Google, which I feel is a much better stock over time. And I'm not going to explain to you guys what Google is. If you live on planet Earth, you know what Google is. It's a company that has a lot of estimated growth ahead as far as the top line, and a lot of estimated growth still ahead as far as the bottom line. And right now, for a growth stock, I think it is trading pretty cheaply. And as the price continues to drop, I will continue to put money into Google. I also dumped Cisco and Bank of America. Honestly, it was a long time coming. It's been a move that I've been talking about making for about maybe half a year, maybe more. I don't have a bear case against either of these companies. These are the first stocks I bought, and honestly, it was time. Now, I probably should have waited until Wednesday after earnings, because Cisco had some pretty good earnings and the stock did raise, but I don't like to do that. Every time I do that, it just ends poorly. So Monday, I just made the moves, and I try not to time the market like that. And every time I do, it just ends up badly. So I might as well just go ahead and pull the trigger, which I did. And I put that money into SCHD. And this was a suggestion that I looked through, and I gotta say, I like it. It's got a bunch of companies that I really like, including Cisco. It's got a bunch of companies that I really like, and Pfizer. Now that you're caught up on the moves, let's talk about the portfolio itself. And yeah, until like Tuesday or Wednesday, I gotta say, we were doing pretty well. Just check out my last portfolio update. We were doing fairly well compared to, the month before. But everything just took a giant shit. We got Gevo down 8% today for no reason. Don't worry, I checked the news. It just happens to be down 8% today. We got Meta down almost 4%. Palantir and Revolve down 7% on no news. It's just down. To be fair, the market, just take a look at the market. The market did not have a good day. Not a good day at all. So yeah, the portfolio, not doing so hot, but I still feel very good about the moves I made and the portfolio I have right now. I feel good sticking with this for the long term. And as far as the future moves, now what I normally do is every week, every Monday, I put $300 into a growth stock, and every Wednesday or Thursday, I put $300 into a value stock. So what I plan on doing is, for the time being, I will probably put the $300 into Google for now. If the price keeps dropping, I will probably focus on Google for a little while. Now, Gevo and Palantir still remain options as far as the my growth spending, but I wasn't a fan of Palantir's last earnings. It left a bad taste in my mouth, so I think I'm going to hold off on putting more money into Palantir. And Gevo, I don't have anything bad to say about Gevo at all. It's just that I feel like my position is built. So I think I'm going to leave Gevo as it is. Now, as far as my value stocks, I might focus for the time being on SCHD. But anyways, take care, have a great day, and eat your vegetables.